But this is hard, so.
Shut
up. Yo, dude,
they blocked me of a life for my personal page. I want the blood clot that was.
You know, I come outside.
Yo, I never even know so I get blocked of a life. I only get blocked of a life. I don't know. A while ago, one time I go for click live for my big page. My page down. So them block me set till the 16. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Yo, Batman, I yesterday I go live, you know. I yesterday I wonder how I go live a while ago. I want to share the live, because it's a joke. It's a joke. I want to share my live there, one buckler. You know, say from my put out, I come beat your batty boy, Shebada. I can't go live for my personal page, you know, boy. Me wonder if you sabotage me. You sabotage me, bad man. Anytime she see me, you jump on your right, yo, take him out to give me. Two in the chest plate, place a mess. No the teacher look for me. Run the place like bro, God, oh God, till the dance all old ladies so sad. You know from the Cali, them you know a funeral. Make my cup you run like funeral. Me still a go beat you. One thing. Who let up?
But this is hard, so.
Hey, Shebada, see dog, yeah?
Yo, dude, Arky traps. Me give them some fucks. Outside. You know, I come outside.
Them said and done it. Not try ever. I should go and attack. Just slow it. The donkey I gone too far. So me have to get a rope and tie it. Here's some ads say you come, girl. 91 my banner some of the done, girl. Remember some my father is a gunman. Any girl chat get gun to will let them. You block my page. Still I come here. Where the old man? Big pussy matter. Me have your pum pum. All the cheese somewhere. Number one. That's why them send for me. That's why them send for me, Shebada. Come here, number one contender. You see it? Never name a dirty pussy. Let me tell you why. Cause girl like my cocky is so fly. Me and them in a me house and me never lie. Oh, donkey like you more than never right. Lucky in me and make you rise. Lyrical 45. Maka diamond dies. Alright. Mama. Yeah. Before I start this, I beat you so in a Shebada. Let me clear up one thing. You see me? You see what here? See what here? You see what here? You see what here? Missy Batman keep one big bumbuckler funeral on Instagram. Me never seen a funeral, not even Bob Marley funeral never large so pussy clad. Biggest funeral boss dressed up out in a 30 million different outfit. A man put you as a little sprat in a one casket and bury and deal with you, or we and the whole world. I say, alright, Batman, take your road. You are the number one Batman now. And you are the number one Batman. Should be have to sit down. Remember, you know, when this occur, who you link? When everybody are bring you down, who you link? Me. The social media done. You link me, say you want to randomly, out of nowhere, you come. And you said to me, say, you want to have a live interview with me. For what I don't know, but I know why. You see, because I said them a whoop you. And me I tell you, say, Batman keep a big bumbuckler funeral. Me I tell you, say, tambourine a beat. People in a mile, everybody a faint to blood clot urology. Read. Everybody a talk about you as a sprat. That one. You link me. The social media done. You say you want a blood clot interview with the boy who wanna know. I run the place. Big up world dog. You know when it's a vlog, you have to call me name, right? You see it? Watch it now. When me come for your show, my friend them beat me, body boy. Me I tell you that right now. My friend them beat me. Lava beat me up to this day. Every day lava beat me for come for your body live. Remember me did bun body corner first. Me bun body corner. Me say wipe on body corner. Go suck out on the mother on the look blood clot shrivel up like. Remember me say remember say me did see have AIDS and my brother them beat me. World dog say yo you know wanna dealings from your body man. Me think they are rare. How much man give me a blight? As a sodomite, I put on the whole of my bumbo clad career upon the line. For you as a Batman. For you as a Batman, I put my career upon the line. Bam! See line there. Pandemic there. Me put my career upon the line, come for your fish live. Me there, my friend, them beat me. Them beat me, them scold me. Then deal with me. Like when you boil saltfish, and you boil it again, and you boil it again. I saw the man then deal with me. The man they deal with me cool. And me say, alright, me get you back, you look a blood clot reputation. People start say body corner again. People start receive back your body message. Cause you come as a body messenger, you know. You as a body messenger, you get back your little spotlight and ray and tear. You get back your little body corner and people start pack up over your little body section again. Right. I don't have a problem with people and them body hole in a car. You know, fuck me in my own, you know, but me just not keep body company. You see me I deal with? Me show you why. The goodness of my heart make me come for your life because I know my friend them did go beat me. The whole of my friend them straight and them I say pretty go on through the gate. You, as a sodomite, we say go on pretty. A whole heap of straight people give me the baton for run with and me take it. Me rate that. Me glad say all the straight people rate me. I'm put my bumbuckler life on the line for you. If you can do this. For you can take up your Batman self can do this right now. When Batman keep a funeral for you, me should have keep off for your life. Me shouldn't run come for your life, come bumbuckler nice up a place and rare and make everybody else say it's not a big disgrace. Me shouldn't come on the because right now, you know, you as a, because you hate woman bad, you know, brother. You hate woman bad. You as a Batman, you hate woman. And the whole of the careless dirty girl them just follow you in shit pit. The whole of your careless because you block me big page, you know, I don't know which one of your followers them, which one of your bumbucklad, auntie or cousin or one I want to call you know, one another on the shit up corner, you know. I don't know how to call you know, one another over there. You run off mudfish, you beat off everybody because you're a bad mind, Batman, you're dirty. Your speech alone when you come with me know say your mind dirty in a bad man. Let me show you a thing now, youth. Because I don't really come right there slap up here in your face, you know. I just come down here and lay out a couple facts to you. You see in 2017, bad man, one car licked me at 183rd. I drop in a coma for 6 days. Yeah, I don't really come here to come telling you nothing about me because I don't want to glad say me bumbo. You feel dead, Ray. I don't come here to come play sympathy card not at all because I don't look that. I don't look sympathy, I do even to follow up party. You see me I do watch now. When the car licked me in 2016, in 2017, me there a foreign year me there when me get the car licked down. One time the ambulance come for me gone already. When they bring me to Aventura Hospital, me gone. There is nothing. None of me organ them now move, no rare. No bother with the glad you should have dead speech and I can't bother with it to them. I go cuss it, you see me? When me reach at the hospital, you know, the doctor would do me surgery, he said to me, say, he resuscitate me 17 times. And nothing. But me not a broken bone and him not see no wicked damage to that. So I wonder I could have walked past this. Him say him lift up my head. Cause he want to see what I go on. But one time he put me down back, a beer blood in him and me go. So the man realized that me have internal bleeding inside. The whole of me inside a flood out. You see me? Watch you now. The man say I have to do an emergency surgery same time. When I notice, me have one slice in the corner of my head there. And a gang violence do that. And other people, man, me a take her, people, girl, me a take her, wherever the case where I go fling it go. You see the cutting on the side of my head right there, sir? It saved my life in a 2017 Batman Shibi. You see in a 2017, you see if the doctor them never bust this on my head, Shebada. More than they start talk. Enough of you would I'm glad if me they talk, but me go tell you no. More than they start talk if the doctor never realize me have internal bleeding inside. Every one of my organ them shut down, Batman Shibi. No heartbeat, no nothing. Him say one time him do the emergency CAT scan. Him say be a fluid, be a blood at this time. My mother can't find me. You can Google it right now. It's up on Google, up on Channel 7 News. My mother there ball because she can't find her pitney because I remember the night before, at that night there, me get licked down by the car. So nobody no know where me there. See? You see one time the doctor them do the emergency surgery for me. Me in a coma for 6 days. Me sleep. Me no know nothing. Me go in a coma and remember I know when me come out of coma, me have a brain and spinal cord injury for the rest of my life. Me have to sit down and hold that. Say half of my brain damage. You see me I deal with? Yeah man. And one time I said that, me not really say it. If you don't want to bring me down, say me have a brain damage. Because I know the brain damage you would have pray. This is brain damage, I mean one side of my brain really they get fucked bad man, you see me? Yeah you. And at the grace of God, me can sit down and talk to you. That's why all I say me a lesbian, but me talk to God the most. Me talk to him before me go in a coma. After me come out of coma, while me in a coma, me know me did still talk to him to see him way. Because enough doctor tell my mother say me why I never did go walk. Me never did go talk back again. Me never go remember nothing. And all of that did said. You see me? All of them here, documents they have to prove. The last when I go up at the hospital for my records for my damage, I want box then give me with paper. For the damage, the brain and spinal cord damage when I have you out where the car lick me. And you as a Batman, I go look for me. We live out that. And tell me, say, look a girl, deserve it, youth. What kind of heart you have in your chest, Batty boy? What kind of heart you have in your chest? Eh? And that's why you gotta start fuck Batty. You know real for soul. You know real. You know real, youth. You know the suffering that she got you right now. Me can't tell you. You know pretty. Me fight for the so too. Just like I know say she a fight too. Ask my mother. All of the doctor them tell me. Say me strong. Come and fight. And come out. When they tell me say yo, me never did go walk. I never did go talk. I never did go remember nothing. See God there? My mother pray. My grandmother pray. The whole of my family pray as lesbian as me be. God listen. Him listen and him bring me, you know. And him bring me, you know. One time the whole of doctor them they tell my mother say yo, me I go cripple in a wheelchair, you know. One time I come out of coma. I couldn't use me on them. Not even a scissors me can use. Me no remember for do nothing. Now when my doctor say me have to train my brain. To learn again, to do everything. Even if I climb a bumbuckler stairs. And you tell me, say, look a girl, this you mean to tell me, say, after some human being beat her so and put her in that situation where I care put me in where I come how much in miles per hour. I want care put me in that day. And you mean to tell me you look a workless blood clot Batman? You mean to tell me, said the little girl deserve it? Why? She is 17. The last time I checked the age of consent in Jamaica, 16-year-old. What is the age of consent? The age of consent means you can fully make decision all fuck. In a little batty boy. Nobody pitney no deserve that whether you're lesbian, you're straight or you're blood clot rare. Nobody pitney worse than some barbarian beat up the woman blood clot pitney. I want some barbarian dirty in all life. Bumbuckler people beat up the woman pitney so you. and put her in a coma, bad man. 1% chance you gonna tell me say look a girl deserve it. You think I will send you go fuck body youth? And you take up that for yourself. Don't take out none of your problem them for way out. Don't take out none of your problem them for way out. All back that in your bumbleclad mouth pussy hole. Back to bumbleclad sender. Receive that big hole boy. Receive that big pussy boy. And pray for her. You look a dirty blood clot parasite sodomite. Pray for your pussy hole. Go pray, bumble hole idiot boy. Go pray. Lift up your bumble clot on them for the goodness, you pussy. Lift up your bumble clot on them, you. And pray for your youth. Nobody pitting in a bumble clot, you boy. Money catch you and bust a gunshot in your face, you. No way you are the pussy. This is not a body activity. I want to bust my gun in your face, you. Me no business override out your body hole like a furlong, youth. Pussy, you forget a gunshot in your face right now, youth. You see it? I you look after a little girl, blood clot, demise. You look hype after a little girl, demise. What a pussy hole parasite like you. Boy, you make a difference. What kind of difference? You not follow? Ah, we bumbo clot have. Why the whole we feel it, youth? Actually, you not have none why you not feel it, youth. Behave your bumbo clot body self now, boy. Behave your body self now, youth. All sodomite like me have a heart, me have a ball for her. And I don't know her. Because I know. I know where her mother got through. My mother blood pressure high to this day. Because I jump in her coma what she never know about. She couldn't find me. You see him, we like how the mother did on TV a ball. So my mother did ball to in a batty boy. Wicked, suck good boy. And so my mother did a ball to in a pussy. What I'm telling you, youth? You can't want rape and people pitting like that, youth. What kind of heart you have in your stomach, batty boy? Youth? You think some either come here so come classy and tell you about rape and how much shirt you beat? Bumble hole boy. Go get some heart. Go get a heart put in your bumbo clot chest, boy. You're empty. Little bumbo clot, boy. You're empty. Me say, pray for your youth. Baby, you go walk again, mama. You have your whole life ahead of you, babes. You just left school, you know. You're 17. You have your whole life ahead of you, baby. Fight with you, because we are fighting you too, you know, mama. Not for we not get no sleep because of you. Now, me see the girl make a TikTok with your voice. How you feel? Nothing with them on bumbleclad social media every day. I do we live them. We enough people idol pussy. And you, as one of our bumbleclad idol them. You feel her. In our demise, youth. You feel her, youth. You know nobody to look up to, but she did look up and see you, pussy. And look at you. Look at you. You gonna talk about you make a difference. You make a different talk. You make a wicked talk. Because you're wicked enough to make man a fucking in your body hole, you know. Say it not even surprise me, you. You're not hard, bitch. You're not hard. Look on the woman on the bumbleclad TV. He's a big waist body, man. A big waist of fuck you. You're not hard, you. Enough of we can't sleep since I look a girl in our she in a why? Because we have a heart. Enough of we have cousin, enough of we have auntie, enough of we have pitney. Enough people have pitney. Girl pitney when I reach nowhere yet. You think nobody got blood class second you on that boy? You know how much girl pitney I walk boy? You know how much? Them have parents. Don't ever try that, youth. Don't ever try that, youth. You know no heart. You want to look a waste body man youth. The whole of we there say grieve. We are ball. We are ball because we have heart. Whole of we are family youth. All of we are family. I could have my little cousin, her mother named Buckley. My mother named Buckley. I can't be little cousin that lied up on the bed and didn't even know that youth. Oh, you ever say that, bad man? Oh, you ever say that, youth? What kind of heart in your chest? What kind of heart in your chest, youth? Go and go take her place and give her fear. Better have some pussy. Right now. I wish I could have take out your mobility. Your foot them or your hand them. Everything. Put them on her, youth. Go and go take her place, youth. You not deserve it there. She not even rich now yet. She not even give her mother no grand pitney yet. She not live her life yet, and that you gonna say. And that you gonna say, youth. One time everybody say them 6 girls they forget dirt. For your earth one look a bumbuckler girl, youth. The 6 of them, and that you the whole of them say they get them 6 girls they forget dirt. But the whole of them talk about one cuff bow. I want to know youth. When you see her string up in the bumbuckler hospital. She string up in a bumbuckler hospital. I wanna say them 6 blood clot barbarian they don't forget dirt. What you mean if them forget blood clot dirt? What kind of deserve you talk about pussy? A dirty wall over there so I say dirt. And you talk about deserve. A 2 different deed that look a bitch. Remember, enough bad man out here have sister. Enough bad man out here have mother. Enough bad man out here have big girl in them family pussy. And dirt some of them 6 girl if you get dirt. Dirt, you pussy all you. And dirt you forget dirt too. Right now, youth. Right here now, youth. When I say look a bumbuckler, helpless me yourself, mother and daughter in the fight and beat the little girl. And you come talk about deserve. Deserve what? Deserve what, youth? A dirt one, dirt one, you know, youth. 6 I wanna forget dirt in the youth. Dirt enough for dirt. Yo. Hey, look at my waist body, boy. I'm telling you this, youth. You see what you see Jamaica and grieve, youth? Allow if you grieve in peace here. Look at body, boy. Look at body, boy. Make the... You see, done because we done. She say, look a girl not even wake and talk yet. Body, man. It's too early, you know, boy. We dirty, you know, youth. Relax yourself, bad man. Relax yourself. Miss Buckley, we sorry. We sorry, you know, Miss Buckley. But him, you know. But just know. Say we were there as a source, Jamaica. You see we Jamaica. We back at you. We cry with you, mama. We cry with you. Every cry where you cry, we are cry too. Every prayer where you pray, just know say a whole heap of people attack same time. The same prayer where you pray, mommy, we are pray too. Cause she go talk, cause she go walk. And she go come back to we, mommy. And you see them 6 there? Dirt, mommy. Me I tell you that straight, mommy. You see the whole of we there a ball with you. We need not cry, we a ball. A day some we not sleep and some we pressure high, mommy. Nobody think of your one alone. Mommy, nobody think of your pressure alone high. We think about her too. Some we can't sleep because of she. One time I sleep and I wake and I realize that the little girl is still in a coma. It hurt me heart see him and I never meet her daughter a day in my life. I am so sorry. I'm sorry for the pain where you go through, mommy. I can't tell you say I know, but I only for mother know. I'm sorry. Me sorry and everybody else is sorry. All of we sorry. We're so sorry, mommy. We deepest. We deepest sympathy go to you. I swear to you. And all of we have hug heart like them. God make real people down here, mommy, with real heart, mommy. And we are cry with you. We hurt just like you. We hurt like our baby. It's just like how your baby, our baby. So right now, I said the whole of we look on it, mommy. You see me? We hurt for you and hey, When they get discipline, me I got discipline them in a moment. But here one now. We're sorry. Me can't even tell you sorry. Sorry sound too soft. Me not have the words them to explain how we feel. But your daughter, right now, mommy. I can't remember say my mother did come in the hospital because my jaw did broke. And I couldn't chew. And my mother chew up food. She chew up the orange and put it in my mouth so I can swallow it. What is a mother's love? I can't beat that youth. Mommy, none of we don't know where you got you right now. But we can't tell us so we are ball for you right now. All of we are ball. Because me deny dance. See me deny dance, mommy. They couldn't beat up your daughter, so me I tell you that straight. I be a waste man deny dance. That's why you look at daughter. There was passion there. But me tell you this, mommy, me deny dance. None of that can go on. Me I tell you that. Mommy, I want to you, man. Some man a real general out here, you know. And some man a real waste man out here, you know, mommy. No general never in the party the night, the mommy. Me there in the party the night, the mommy. Your daughter can't do which passion them. I tell her that, mommy. Back of here in front of me, I tell her that straight. No real general never in the party there. If you make them jump on your daughter like that and stamp her like that and lick her with buckle, it me the in the party there. None of that can go on, mommy. Even in my section, my virgin we bust gunshot in the air. Break up that. Some uncle draw gun off a man for shoot and kill them. But you no see a fighter go on and none of no raise a matic out of no waist. And bust 2 gunshots in the air and broke up that. But no, no rather. We just there as a ball youth. A ball and I got you where we are got you. We no rather that. We no rather that, dog. But more well no catch them, girl, yeah. Me know none of them report them to police and kill them. Give them a same blood clot fate. Make them go breathe too straw too. Me no want to shoot them. Me want the whole of them 6 there. Them for blood clot breathe through straw. And me no want the big straw them my mama have. Me want the little straw them. Me want to not beat them and me want one time I done beat them. Yes, one time I done beat them. They can't recognize. We don't even know say them that. Same bomber clot feel. Bun me feel like a butty man. But you don't have platform. Why you have platform for you go suck your mother youth? Yo, your platform go suck your youth. What do you youth? What kind of talk that you make? What kind of talk that you make? Butty man. Bun me a pussy clot.